Alright guys, our 2018 winter storm. Anything I can get out of the door. The Honda's buried. Everything's just buried right in. Got a snowblower buried here. Yeah, I don't think I'm going anywhere. Try to get the Silverado out and see if she'll make it through the snow, but yeah, we're pretty buried here. Look at the hood of the van. Jeez, I had snow off the top of my tent, so that breaks in. Yeah. Alright, we went to go snowmobiling with Tom's snowmobiles he got. We blew up the one. Got Gavin back there. He found us along the way. Now we're towing it back with the truck. The old four-ways on. We're gonna try to make it up this grassy field here. The fur cap, we got this plow guy in my way. Let's scout this Honda Ridgeline. We're going up it. We're going for it. We made it. He's still back there. The Silverado's doing good. We're just in 4 high. Got towing mode on just for the hell of it. Tom's got to go to work eventually, so we gotta get this thing back. Alright, we're gonna do some snow blowing here. I've already been doing a lot, but now we get to send to the driveway snow. Guys, we're gonna do some donuts in the Silverado. The phone is about to die, so we'll see how much footage we get, but here we go. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Just do a little bit of donut action. There's a lot of snow, so couldn't really get her spinning too much.